At QueBIT, we believe that when it comes to your critical business processes, you shouldn't have to compromise. That's why we work with our clients to develop fast, flexible, and robust solutions using IBM Planning Analytics. Businesses shouldn't have to choose between the rapid deployment of an easy-to-use cloud solution or the power and flexibility of an on-premises performance management system. With its incredible speed, amazing power and versatility, and enterprise scalability, IBM Planning Analytics gives you the best of both worlds. Planning Analytics goes beyond automating manual budgeting, forecasting, and reporting processes. It embeds powerful analytics into everyday decision-making, improving your forecast accuracy, and making sure that you're prepared for whatever lies ahead. Planning Analytics connects to all ERP, HRM, and CRM systems, bringing all your data into a single secure system. This data can then be used to drive complex calculations that are updated in real time. So when you make a change, all your reports and dashboards are instantly updated. The innovative Planning Analytics workspace provides a web-based platform for self-service planning, modeling, and analysis. It's an attractive, intuitive interface that allows you to quickly and easily visualize your data in new ways, helping you improve communication and tell compelling stories. Seamless integration with Excel allows you to keep your existing reports. When Excel reports are connected to Planning Analytics, they can be published to the web and shared by all users, reducing all the headache that comes with the proliferation of Excel spreadsheets. Planning Analytics workspace dashboards and published reports can also be accessed from your phone or iPad, so you always have access to your critical information wherever your busy life takes you. The power of Planning Analytics can be further enhanced with QueBIT solutions for predictive analytics, financial consolidations, automated report distribution, and much more. Whether you are looking for a new solution to meet your financial or operational needs, or you need help with an existing implementation, QueBIT has a team of experts ready to work with you. So remember, when it comes to your critical business processes, don't compromise. Contact QueBIT today to learn more about how Planning Analytics can help you drive better business outcomes.